Good. Guys, today we will see like you'll write the applications, guys, better. Today we'll start the coding part regarding your Java. Last just two demo classes complete. Vash, please mute. Yeah, the guys who are new to class today, just you try to take the required session from the office. To get the required session, guys, just you can call to this number. The number is like 9246212143. To get the required session, last two classes, guys. Once if you pay the fees, they'll share you all the required session to you. So what we done in the last classes, okay? Good, guys. Guys, I said like Java is what type of language? See, guys, Java is like object-oriented programming language, right? Yeah, definitely Java is a object-oriented programming language, guys, which it deals with the classes basically. Because if you take the C language, yes, please mute, please mute. Yes, please mute. Because if you take the C language, C language like what type of application, what type of language means? Basically procedure oriented, guys. Procedure oriented language. Because procedure oriented means what? Which deals with yeah, so which deals with what? Which deals with the functions basically. The C language, what type of language means? Which is like procedure oriented language, deals with what? Functions, right? Exactly. Because if you take the Java language now, yeah, Java language, Java, like it's like object oriented programming language, guys. Object oriented. Object oriented means what? Everything we have to write in the form of the objects basically. The C language is like procedure oriented, deals with the functions, but Java is which language here? Object oriented. Object oriented means what? Deals with what? Classes and objects, guys. Everything is what? A class and objects, right? Exactly. Because that's what in the Java. So first to write the logics, first you have to take the class concept, guys. So declare the class using class keyword. This is my class keyword, guys. Declare the class using class keyword. Class name is called test class. Class name is test class, right? Exactly. Because inside the class, see for example, I read in the case one. So inside the class directly I'm writing some logics here. Assume like in Java to print the data, we are writing the system.out.println, system.out.println. This is like simply can write the hello world message, right? Exactly. Yes, 1 second, please. Yes, can you hear me? Yeah, fine. Because class name is called test class because Java is what type of language means object-oriented programming language based. That's what declare everything in the form of the class format. I declared the class. The class name is called test class, right? Exactly. Okay, so one small point here, but this logic is invalid logic because inside the class, directly writing the business logics are not allowed, guys. We can't do the logics directly like this. So inside the class, hmm, inside the class, what? Directly writing the writing the business logics are what? Not allowed, right? Exactly. So then what we have to do, sir? So inside the class, directly writing the business logics are not allowed, guys. That's what. So inside the class, we can define the methods, guys. Because inside the class, we'll define what are methods, just like main method, guys. Just like what a main method. That's what inside the class I declared the method public static void main. Because the Java, the main method syntax is like this. So what is this public? What is this? What is this public? What is this static? I'll tell you later. So public static, we can write the void main. So we can write the string array RGS, right? Exactly. Open brace, close brace. Good. Because inside the class directly can write the logic, right? Yeah. So the point is like inside the class we can't write the logics directly, guys. So that's what inside the class we have defined the method. Inside the method you can write the logics, right? Guys, inside the method you can write the logics, right? Exactly. Guys, remember this point, guys, very very important. So Java is object-oriented programming language, deals with the class and objects. So inside the class directly writing the business logics are not allowed. That's what inside the class we define the method. Inside the method you can write the logic, right? Exactly. Sir, inside the class we are declaring the method. Is it class contains only methods? Because is it class contains only methods means? Is it class contains only methods means? Definitely no, guys. Class not only contains main method, the class contains like, hmm, yes, class doesn't not only main method, it contains generally the Java class contains the four elements, guys. Does the class contains what? The class contains, yeah, the class contains like how many elements, four elements. Basic elements are four elements, guys. Basic elements are what? Four elements, right? What are the four elements? You declare the class test. The first element is like variables concept. Because inside the class we write the variables, and inside the class we'll write the methods. Because we'll write the variables and we'll write the methods. What Pravalika? What happened? Good. Guys, the class contains like variables, methods, and which contains like what? Constructors, and which contains like blocks, right? Exactly, guys. So we will discuss what is the variables and what are the methods and constructors and blocks. But inside the class, can we write the logics directly means? Just directly writing the logics are possible, not possible? And directly writing the logics are today a bit throat pain actually. The voice is clear, right, everyone? Just please respond.
Yes, yes.
Chinmay, voice is fine, huh? Okay, fine.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Yes, Java language, what type of language? Tell me. Java is like process oriented, object oriented. Yes, Java is object oriented, right? Exactly. Object oriented means deals with the class and object, right? Because then class contains inside the class, can we write the logics directly? Inside the class, can we write the logics directly means definitely no, right? Then what we will do? Inside the class, we'll write the methods. Inside the method, you can write the logic, right? Yeah. Inside the method you can write the logics, right? Exactly, guys, that's what we are writing the code like this, right? Yeah, the class contains only methods means definitely no, guys. The class contains almost all how many elements, four elements. Basic elements are four elements, which is like variables and methods and constructors and blocks. So variables and methods, constructor and blocks, out of these four elements, where we will write the logics means using methods, guys. Because variables are to declare the data, constructors are for initialization purpose, like different purposes, guys. But out of these four elements inside the class, where we will write the logics means inside the methods, right? Because inside the methods we will write the logic, guys. Is that points are clear now? Good. Because before starting the first application, can you please write the development setup in your system, guys? Development setup. Development setup require the two softwares, guys. Number one and number two. The first software we have to write the application, guys. Because definitely to write the application we require one environment, right? The first step is what? Simply can write the application. Because to write the application we require the environment, right? Because where we will write the application means First 10 to 15 days classes, guys, we will use like editor software. Editors, guys. What are the editors, right? What are the editors means? We will use like edit plus editor, guys. Software. You try to complete initiation process of the Java and edit plus, and tomorrow onwards using that softwares, you will develop the applications, guys. Is that points are clear? Good. So development setup in the system, total two software is required, guys, to run the Java applications. So core Java means two softwares required. Advanced Java means total 4 5 softwares are required. So today we'll go for the core Java development setup. Development setup means to develop the application, what the setup required. Guys, to develop the application, what the setup required. Start with the editor, guys. Editor is required. Because which one here? Editor is required. So editor means what? It is a tool or software. It is a tool or what? It is a tool or software. Use it to write the application, guys. Use it to write the application, right? Exactly. Is that clear now? Use it to write the application, right? Exactly. So what are the general editors in market? So Notepad is also one editor, guys. Even in a Notepad also you can write the code, right? Maybe in academic, in BTech level, the BTech students will write the job applications using Notepad, right? Exactly, guys. But Notepad is not at all recommended, guys. And after that we have the Notepad plus plus is there, but this is also not recommended. Yeah, which one is required means edit plus software is required, guys. With colorful editor is there, edit plus editor required. Is it clear now? Guys, do you think like this is like Notepad, Notepad plus plus edit plus? I'm saying like to write the application. Do you think in the real time to write the application we are using these editors? As in the real time, to develop the application using this editor? No, right? Like that, what we will use then? Guys, in the real time, what we will use to write the applications?
Eclipse.
There's an Amirpay classes generally to first yeah, we'll go for the IDs, right? In the real time, we'll go for the ID,
Eclipse.
guys.
Eclipse.
Yeah, Eclipse. Right? In the this real-time projects, we will develop the application using Eclipse ID, NetBeans ID, IntelliJ ID, JDeveloper ID, VSC ID. Multiple IDs are there. Depends on the company. All IDs are doing the same activity, providing environment to write the application only. Good. But sir, why in the classroom level we are using editors actually? Yes, why we are using editors then? If the real time is required IDs means we can go with ID itself, right? Exactly, guys. But as initial learner, guys, while learning stage, directly using IDs are not recommended, guys, because in ID most of the code automatically generated. Yes, in ID, why the companies are using ID means you don't need to write the most code, guys. Only 50% code you can write. 50% code automatically generated by ID itself. Yes, ID full form is what? So ID means what? Integrated, yeah, integrated development. Guys, every day take the notes, guys, please. After the class, don't write the running notes, guys, please. If you want, you can take, but no, don't write the running notes, guys. Just focus on the class. After the class, anyhow, I'll share this class notes, right, every day. Last two classes, I shared the notes, right? Like every day, I'll share you the notes, guys, and you try to write the notes after the class. Just it will take 10 to 15 minutes, right? Clarity, guys. So, to what we done and all. The classroom means what? Live classes means you'll write the notes and everything is going good. But online classes, right? After the class, don't ignore, guys. So what we learned today, just you document the notes, okay? Try to maintain the notes, guys. Even though I'll share you the data, but maintain the notes, right? Better. Is it clear now? Yeah, maintain the notes, guys. Exactly. Good. Because coming to ID full form is like what? Integrated. Yeah, integrated development environment, right? Environment, guys. Yes, integrated development environment, guys. Basically is ID. Generally, what are the IDs we have means like Eclipse ID, NetBeans ID. So NetBeans ID, yeah, and we have the VSC ID, Visual Studio Code, guys. VSC ID, Eclipse, NetBeans, Eclipse, NetBeans, VSC. So we have the IntelliJ IDs. There multiple IDs are there, guys. Out of these all IDs, which ID is recommended means definitely companies are using mostly Eclipse and VSC ID, guys, nowadays. And some of the companies recently they have started IntelliJ ID also. NetBeans completely outdated, guys. We are not using NetBeans concept actually. Good. Guys, classroom example, first 10 to 15 days, guys, we'll go for the Edit Plus software. So today try to install the download and install Edit Plus software. First 10 to 15 classes, we'll go for the Edit Plus software, guys. Definitely after 10 to 15 days, if I forgot, please remember, please tell me, sir, can please start the Eclipse site so that I'll start the application using Eclipse site directly. Is that clear now? Yeah, exactly. Yes, what a different with editor and Eclipse ID means what? Editor means everything we have to write the code, guys. ID means most of the code is generated by ID itself. Like constructors automatically generated, setter and getter methods automatically generated, code is automatically compiled, methods are automatically overriding. So it will replace the data wherever you need. So multiple things are possible, guys, with ID, with ID. Good. That's what, guys. Editor is recommended, not recommended means not recommended. Editors are only for the classroom purpose, guys. But real-time purpose, you're going for the IDs, right? That's the difference, guys. Good. Yes, download and install the Edit Plus software. Download and what? Install the Edit Plus software, right? Exactly. Yes, I'll share you the link for that to download this Edit Plus software. Just you can go to the Google, ask the Google, guys. Yeah, google.com. So simply can type the Edit Plus download, right? Yeah, click on Edit Plus download, guys. Because go for the official website editplus.com, right? Editplus.com. Guys, directly it is downloading like 64-bit operating system. Present application everyone using 64, right? So it support only 64-bit operating system, guys. It's simply like 2.50 MB file, small, very small file, guys. So download 5.4, 2.50 MB file, right? Exactly, guys. Is it clear now? We can download this evaluation version for 30 days, guys. Definitely go for the max 20 days for this data. After that, I'll go for the Eclipse ID. It's not a problem. So we don't need to get the license, right? We don't need to get the license. Is that clear now? Yeah. Yes, downloading process. Once the download is completed, initialization means what? Next finish, right? Yes. Once the software is downloaded, so if you click on this download button, guys, download will start. Here the download will started here. This is my exe file is there, right? Click on next finish. So then initialization process complete, right? Exactly, guys. Because once the initialization process is completed, you will get the by default. Yeah, we'll get the by default. This is a symbol, guys. Book symbol. Guys are able to see this book symbol, right? Plus plus is there. This is called edit plus editor, guys. So download and install edit plus editor, guys, using this link, right? Yeah. Because you don't ask others, you try to do the work, guys, so that you get some satisfaction, right? Feeling important. Yes or no? Otherwise, you'll ask others, hey, brother, can please install the Edit Plus? My Ram sir is saying install the Edit Plus and Java. Don't ask others, guys, please. Is it clear now? Yeah, try to complete this downloading process and installation process, guys. Now, editor is ready. Editor is used to write the application, guys. But once if you written the application, we have to execute that application, right? To execute the application, definitely Java software required, right? Exactly, guys. Second software is what? Java software, guys. Use it to compile and execute the application, right? So use it to compile and what? Execute the application, guys. Use it to compile and execute the application, right? Exactly. Guys, editor is used to write the application, but Java software is used to compile and execute the application, guys. So first of all, you download and install the Edit Plus Java software. So download and install the which software, guys? Yeah, Java software. Guys, what the present version of Java is? I think the present version of Java is Java 16th version. Yeah, I think present version of Java is like Java 16th version, right? Yeah. Because in my system, I think I have the Java 15th version. So no worries. You also be same platform. Better to download the Java hyphen version you can take. Because in my system, I install the Java 15th version is there. 15th version is there. If you want, you can try to install 15th version, right? Download and install the Java software, guys. So for the downloading process, definitely I'll share the link. So you can go for the oracle.com directly. Because previously what we are using, previously we are working with the editplus.com, right? Like that, then Java is given by Oracle Corporation right now. Oracle.com/Java. If you click on the oracle.com/Java, guys, directly you'll get the Java link. Just you try to see that link. Yeah. Is it clear now? This is like website, guys. This is a website, guys, oracle.com/Java. So in this website, are you able to see this button, right? Small button. I think this button is recently added actually. Yes or no? Just like it's a patch, right? It seems like it's a patch, right? Yes or no? Actually, even Oracle employees they're doing a patches. Actually, say previously, what happened? If you go for the oracle.com/Java, we have to go down actually. We have to go. We have to go down, and here we have the versions actually. Download Java is there. Here button is there. You have to click on this button actually. But everyone is going down and clicking this button, not user friendly, right? That's what. Oracle.com/Java means directly, directly here button is able to see, right? That's why they're doing the patch. Yes or no? They're doing the patch, right? Yeah. Click on this download button, guys. Because you want me to write the steps, go to the website, click on download button. Click on download button. Go to the browser, Google Chrome. The installation depend. One of the notes I observed that points, guys. He's saying even the faculty is saying even download the Java. The download time depends on your internet speed and downloading speed, downloading time is depends on internet speed. If internet is like 50 mbps means like 10 minutes, 100 mbps means like 5 minutes, 200 mbps means like 2 minutes. And you need that points, go to the Google Chrome, open the system, click on CP button. Very clear now. Guys, try to complete this one. Guys, you can see this is like download link directly. Even I'm sharing this link also. Just but you try to follow the process. Go to the oracle.com, see that button, click on that button. After clicking on the button, you'll get this folder actually. You'll get this link, guys. Even I'm sharing that link also. Just you can see. Yeah, Java SE downloads, right? See, guys, he's not saying like core Java download, right? He's saying what Java standard edition, right? Java SE downloads, right? Guys, he's saying like core Java, no? He's saying like Java SE. He's saying like Java SE means what? Is that core Java is official terms or unofficial term then? Guys, core Java is official term or unofficial term? Definitely. Unofficial term, right? Is it clear now? Core Java is what? Unofficial term, right? Exactly, guys. Guys, here Java 16th version is there. If you want, you can go with the Java 16th version directly. Guys, just click on this JDK download. Directly click on JDK download. Yeah. Otherwise, see, if you don't want 16th versions or in your systems 15 is there, I'll install 15th version just to go down simply. Java 11 is there, Java 15 is there, Java 8 is there. These all versions are there. Any try to install Java 16th itself. What's the problem? Install the latest version, guys. If you click on this download, JDK download, JDK download, guys. Sorry, able to see, right? Yeah, JDK download you can click. Once if you click on JDK download, you'll get these all the files, guys. You'll get this all the files based on your operating system, what we are using, what the processor we are using. So I'm using like Windows 64-bit, right, in installer. As I download the exe file, guys, don't download the zip files, tar files, bin files, these all files not required. You try to download the exe file, right? Exactly. Because this is a direct link. Actually, this is a website link. This is like all downloads are available. But if you want directly download link, me this link, guys. But I hope you may not depends on my these links directly. You can type go step by step, right? Yes or no? Go step by step, guys. That's a very good option. Guys, initialized means no need to change anything. So I want to download this exe file. Click on this exe file, guys. It's asking like accept license agreement. Click on this accept license agreement again. If you click on this accept license agreement, JDK download. Click on this download, guys, directly. Because are able to see this exe file downloading right in the below. In my system already there, so I can pause it. Is that clear? Good. Okay, sometimes maybe it is asking registration process, Oracle registration process. If anyone is like new to, maybe some new users are there regarding Oracle, they're asking registration process. They're asking like registration process. You try to do the registration if any registration required. The registration is free of cost. Just they're asking some details. Even if you enter the fake details, no problem. Just you enter the mail ID, correct mail ID, because they'll get the verification link. You click on the verification, they'll get the password. Enter the username, password. Download automatically starts. But that is optional, guys. But in case if they're asking the registration process, you try to do that registration, guys. It's a free of cost. Okay. Even if you enter the fake details, it will take no problem. It's asking landline number, company number, experience. It asks multiple things. You can give all our landline number 1234. All right. Even see, guys, while registering this class also, there you are entering fake details. Your mail IDs are fake, your numbers are fake. Then how they will contact you? One guy's entered the number is 888888. One guy entered the number is 1234 and guys, we done almost all 3 classes completed. So try to complete the formalities as soon as possible. Fee payments, guys. So that we'll create the WhatsApp group and we will discuss some questions and all. Good, guys. I think downloading process is clear, right? So initialization, nothing to change, guys. Initialization means next finish. So no worries at all. Yeah, this is download the software, guys. So initialization means what? Initialization process, simply click on next finish, guys. You don't change any versions and all, any locations all. Click on next one. What? Next, you'll get the finish, right? Exactly. Is that clear? So once the initialization process is completed, guys, once the initialization process is completed, uh, the initialization process is completed, guys, the folder location is what? Because once the initialization process is completed, where the folders are stored? Yes, where is the location of the folders? Yes, the location of the folders are what? By default, go for local disk C, right? Local disk C is there, program files is there, in the program files Java is there. In the Java, we have the JDK, right? JDK 15th version is there, guys. In my system, JDK and JRE, so JDK 8 is there, JDK 15 is there. Just let me check the JDK 16th version. JDK 16th version, right? Exactly. This is location of the file, guys. Yeah. Because actually, once you install, you may get the two folders actually. One is a JDK, one is a JR. JR is there. So for us, JR is not important, guys. For us, JDK is important actually. So what is the reason here? JDK means full form is what, guys? Java Development Kit. JR means Java Runtime Environment. So Java Development Kit, guys. The name itself saying like Java Development Kit. Development means we are developing application, right? Java Runtime Environment means the sense the name itself is saying it is giving only runtime environment. Because we need the development environment, you need the runtime environment. Definitely require the development environment, right? Yeah. So JDK means Java Development Kit, guys. It provides the both. It supports what? JDK contains some commands, guys. Those commands support the both compilation as well as what execution, right? Supports both compilation and what execution, guys. Exactly. So JDK folder contains like JDK supports both compilation as well as what execution process, guys. Development support, right? Development process. That's what, guys, in the generally in a real time development process, you're going for the JDK software. So you're doing the compilation as well as you have to do the execution, right? Because you're writing the code, then definitely you have to do the compilation, then you have to do the execution, right? Exactly, guys. That's what you can do the compilation process. Okay, good. Compilation execution you have to do, development required, guys. See, guys, once your application development is completed, the project goes to live, right? If the project in the live means what, your projects are there in the servers, right? If the projects are there in the servers means what, we need to compile the environment, compile timer, runtime, both compile and runtime. Because your project is completed, and your project in the live, they're uploading into the server, they're deploying in the server. At that time, required only which environment, guys? Guys, please respond. While deploying the application, which environment you required? We need the both compile time, runtime, or only compile time or only runtime?
Compile time and runtime.
Development. Cool. You are developing the application. Developing the application means what? We have to write the code, we have to compile, and we have to execute and to see the output, right? Then
Yeah.
JDK required.
Yeah,
Your project
JDK.
is completed. Your project is completed. Assume like your project is completed. Once your project is completed, what we have to do? Once your project is completed, we have to place your project in the server, right? Then everyone
Yeah,
can
definitely.
access your project. At that time, they require which environment? Compile time environment required. Only runtime is sufficient.
Only runtime, yeah. JRE.
Exactly. That position is called production environment, guys. JRE gives only runtime environment, guys. Yes, only runtime environment. Generally, when the runtime environment required means production environment, guys. Production means in the project in the live, they're uploading the project into server. Yeah, they're uploading the project into what? Server, right? Exactly. That's what, guys. For us, which one is important? For us, JDK is important, JR important. For us, definitely, JDK is important, right? Sir, you said like JDK give the both compilation and execution part. JRE gives the only runtime environment. What is this? Because JDK internally contains JRE also, guys. Who is giving the execution environment, runtime environment? JRE only, right? That's what JDK internally contains. What JRE also. That's what for us only JDK is sufficient, guys. That's what for JDK is sufficient. JDK internally contains what, guys? JRE software. That's why it's supporting even execution process also, right? Exactly, guys. Yes, you try to see these folders, and we understood like JDK go for the development process, JRE go for what, production environment. So development process means compilation and execution you are doing. and compile time and runtime environment, right? Yeah, JRE gives the compile and yeah, compile and what runtime environment, right? That's the meaningful words, guys. Compile time and what runtime environment, right? Exactly. So JRE, what about JRE, guys? JRE gives only, guys, tell me, JRE gives only which environment here? Only runtime environment, right? Exactly. Good, guys. Guys, once the initialization process is completed, we have to set the path, guys. Why we are setting the path, I'll tell you tomorrow next classes. So next one is what next step is set the path, guys. I'll give the basic idea why you are setting the path means. See, your JDK folder is there, guys. JDK contains bin folder. In this bin folder, you have the commands, guys. Java command is there. Yeah, you can see this is like Java C command is there, Java doc command is there, Java P command is there, Java W is there, J console command is all the commands, guys, actually. And we have to give these commands to operating system basically. That's what we are setting the path. Because how to set the path means where the commands are there, Java command, Java C command, because to do the compilation execution you require these commands, right? Java C command is there, Java doc is there, Java P is there, Java W is there, all the commands, right? Just you can copy this location, guys, where the commands are available. Just you can copy this location. Yeah, just copy this location. Then we have to set the path, guys. Then how to set the path means right click on the my computer. Right click on my computer properties. Yes, right click on my computer properties. Advanced system settings you have to click. Under advanced system settings, environmental variable you have to click. Environmental variable. So here you can get the data like this. User variables are there. Click on new, guys. Initial new system, click on the new. You can type the path. Okay, so after installation of the software, once the installation is completed, once the installation process is completed, try to open the command prompt. Yes, open the command prompt, type the Java C command. So once the installation process is completed, immediately can type the Java C command. You will get the message like Java C is not recognized internal external command actually. Yes, you'll get the message what Java C is not recognized as internal external command, right? That's what you can set the path, guys. Once if you set the path, after setting the path, if you type the Java C command again, if you click on enter button, you'll get the list of commands. Java C means Java compiler basically. Guys, Java C means what? Java compiler, right? Exactly. Guys, are you clear now? That's what we are setting the path, guys. In the path, variable name is what? You can take the path path. Variable value, you have to place that location, guys, basically where the commands are available. The Java C, Java command, is all the commands are in this location, right? That's what you can put the that location name, right? Bin location we have to give, guys. That's why you have to set the path, right? Exactly, guys. In my system already available, so I don't need to disturb that path. It's fine. Because all the commands are there in which location, guys? This location. Yeah, this location, all the commands are there. That's what, guys, you have to set the path. To set the path, what is step, guys, here? Right click on my computer. Right click on my computer. Let me write otherwise. Right click on my computer. You can go for the properties. In properties, you can go for the advanced system settings, right? Advanced system settings, guys. Under advanced system settings, we have the environmental variables, right? Exactly. Because right click on my computer, properties, advanced system settings, environmental variable. In the environmental variable, then click on new, guys. Here click new. Once if you click the new, it's asking like variable name. Variable name, just you can type the path path. Next one is what, guys? Sahu. How we do in Mac? Mac path setting is optional, not required. Yeah, if anything, like we have to set that file one path setting is not required in Mac. You try to install the software, it's working fine. If anything goes wrong, just you can try to check the Google ones. Still, if you have any questions, please let me know so that I'll show you the process one again. I'll tell you the process. Okay. Good. Yeah, variable name and variable value, guys. If you take the variable value, you can paste that location, this JDK bin folder. Guys, why the JDK bin folder means that folder only contains this all the commands, right? Yes, that folder contains all the commands, right? That's what that folder required, guys. Guys, I hope today you development setup you have to do, guys. Development setup means to develop the application, what is the setup required in your system? That is called generally development setup. So to write the application, command line terminal you can set in Mac. Yeah, command line terminal. No, guys, I didn't use the Mac much because in the company system I have the Linux, like Linux. Yeah, my personal system I have the Windows. Mac, no, I didn't use the Mac. You try to check the Google. Otherwise, if you have any process issue, let me know so that I'll check and I'll update you. Hmm? Yeah, it's fine. Guys, today download editor, guys. Edit plus editor required. So, but edit plus editor, this link is there. Download edit plus editor, install edit plus editor, right? Next one is ID, guys. Later classes, I'll download the ID. I'll show you the process later. How to download the ID, how to install the ID, how to work with the ID. I'll tell you later, guys. Is it clear now? Good. Once edit plus download is completed, installation process completed, you will get the symbol. This one is a book symbol, guys. You will get this book symbol. Okay. Good. After that, you can go for the Java software, guys. This is like website, guys. First, you go to this website. Under the website, we have the Java download button. Click on that button. Once if you click on the button, you will get this download link. In under that, JDK 16 is there. JDK download is there. JDK download, right? You can go for this website, guys. Once the downloading process is completed, installation next finish. Once the installation is completed, go and check the location, look at the JDK and JRE. I think you got some clarity about what is the JDK and what is the JRE. Java development kit means it's showing like it is Java development, guys. Development means compile time runtime. The name itself is like Java development, guys. Development means compile time and runtime. JRE means what? Java runtime. It supports only runtime environment, guys. Then we have to set the path, guys. Why this path only are setting is because this location only contains the all the commands to compile and execute, right? Yes, to compile and execute. That's what you are setting. Yeah, you try to complete that process, guys. We'll meet in tomorrow class. We'll go for what is if you get the error even if you set the path. Then you didn't set the path properly. You can type the small path. PATH is the lowercase data. PATH is lowercase data. Then C program files. This is up to bin folder we have to give. This class notes, I'll share with you, man. I'll show you one link actually. So everyday class notes we are sharing like we're using one link, protest.com/core Java advanced Java CA. I think 5 p.m. class. This is a link, guys. Once if you open this link, is asking password, like the password is a Java. Let me share this class link, guys. Yeah, you need syllabus copy. Yeah? Okay, try to open this link, guys. When you open this link, is asking password. The password for this one is like Java. Java is the password, guys. Guys, syllabus copy in the classroom explanation is not good because you just I'll share you the syllabus copy once. You try to check the syllabus copy after the class what we are going to cover. Yeah, what we are going to cover. I'll check the syllabus copy. I'll show you the syllabus copy. This is my syllabus copy, guys. Core syllabus and schedule, and what topic and how many days the topic is also mentioned. You try to check the complete data. Because if you go for the introduction part and operator concept 2 days, introduction part almost all 7 days class, 1 week class required introduction part is. And if you go for the Java operators 2 days, flow control 3 days, Java class concept is there. Class concept is very important, guys, because today Java is object oriented, right? Object oriented means everything in the form of the classes. The class means we have to know class clearly, right? Inside the class we declare the variables, methods, real time how to use the variables, real time how to use the how to use the methods, real time how to use the constructors. Constructors we have to use. Static blocks uses, right? Exactly. This is 8 days almost we'll discuss this. After that, you go for the package and modifiers. In the real time, how we divide the project into the packages, sub packages, import statements, normal import versus static imports, and all. OOPS principles, guys, aggregation, composition, polymorphism, encapsulation, abstraction, interfaces, modifiers, exception handling, file handling. So garbage collection, string manipulations, wrapper classes, nested classes, lambda expressions, multi-threading, enumeration, assertions, enumeration, GM architecture, collection framework, very big one. Generics are there, wildcard symbol, network, internationalization, applets. These all the concepts are there, guys. But these all are outdated concepts, guys. No need to use. If you anyone required, I'll tell you the explanation for that. Exactly, guys. And along with that, we have the features of Java, Java 9 features. Yeah, Java 9, Java 10, Java 11, Java 12. because in my system via initial Java 15 means I have to write the at least some of the code regarding Java 10, 11, 12, at least 13, 14 like this, guys. This is the features of this code also. This, if you want syllabus copy, let me share this syllabus copy in this link itself. Here you can place the syllabus copy. So check the Corja syllabus copy, guys. And today class notes like day 3, guys. Today, if your development setup is ready, tomorrow onwards we'll start the applications. Guys, don't ask others. Today, try to spend some time to complete the installation process. Yes or no? Don't ask others, guys. Try to complete the installation process. And today class note is the class notes, guys. I'll place the class notes here. Check the one. Probably, I think maybe path setting is the issue in your system also. Try to complete the path setting and try to do the compilation execution. Clear, right? Yeah. If anything goes wrong, please let me know, and I'll check. I will check once. Okay. Yeah. Bye, guys. That's all for today class. We'll meet in tomorrow. We'll continue. Tomorrow we'll start the application, guys, because development setup is ready. So tomorrow onwards we'll start the applications. Bye, guys.
Sir, please copy paste the today's class note. Copy paste.
Placed already. This is the notes, right? Class note. Day 3 is there, right?
Oh, okay. Day 3 is there.
Day 3 is there. Day 1, day 2 syllabus. Day 3 is there.
Okay.
There's any questions? Guys, try to complete the formalities. The guys who are going to continue from tomorrow, try to complete the formalities as soon as possible. As soon as possible, try to complete the fee payments, guys, so that they'll send you the materials and video links for the classes. Every day they'll share the record session to your mail IDs. Bye, guys. Tomorrow we'll meet.